First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I do not see any scratches or paint chips on the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. I do not see any scratches at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. The trunk and back bumper are in excellent condition. I do not see any scratches back here at all. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks fine on the quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door look excellent. I do not see any scratches or dents at all. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and everything here looks perfect. I do not see any scratches on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, everything looks fine. Let's move on to the back seat. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the front seat looks fine. The back seat is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car does have navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that there's no wear and tear at all. Okay, everything is still brand new. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.